Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to make video background on PowerPoint. Sometimes people would like to make the background video on their Microsoft PowerPoint slides. Microsoft PowerPoint doesn't support this background video on any slides. But some tricks can be helpful to make the background video on your PPT slides. Let's learn how you can do this. Open the Microsoft PowerPoint. First of all, we have to insert the video, the PowerPoint. So we have to go to insert. Here you have to click on the video. You can import from your video. This will be directly insert the video. You can drag it to anywhere. So you can right click and send to back. Now the video go to back of the text, but the problem is if you would like to create a new slide, this will not add at the background because the video insert only the one slide. So first we have to delete this video. Then you have to go to view. Here you have to click on the slide master. The first slide you have to delete everything. Then you have to insert the video by go to media. Now you have to select the video and click on the playback. Select the looping and select the start as automatically. We have to go to slide master, close the master view. That's it. Now you can check it out. The second slide also insert the video background. So you can check it out. You can just run this. Now the second slide is playing. That's it. In this way you can make the video background on Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.